Okay, let's talk about something you almost definitely ate today, probably without even thinking about it. But this simple little rock? Oh, it has a story to tell, a story of power, war, and life itself. Just let that sink in for a second. What one thing could possibly be that important throughout all of human history? Gold? Maybe oil? Nope. The answer is way more common, and a whole lot closer to home.
You got it. We're talking about salt. That simple mineral sitting in a shaker on your kitchen table has literally shaped our world in ways you would not believe.
So let's do it. Let's break down this humble rock we all eat and figure out just why it's been one of humankind's most prized possessions.
So, at its most basic, salt is a natural mineral. It shows up all over the world, and it forms these amazing, see-through, cube-shaped crystals. For thousands of years, we've been mining it, trading it, and honestly valuing it just as much as gold. But what is it exactly?
To really get its power, we've got to go small, like atomic level small. It's actually a super simple, kind of beautiful chemical story.
Here's the magic. Salt is just two ingredients. First up, you've got this super reactive metal, sodium, or Na.
And it bonds with this, really pungent gas, chlorine, or Cl.
So when these two combine, they basically cancel each other out and form this totally stable, totally essential compound, sodium chloride, NaCl. And that's it. That's the chemical formula for the very salt you sprinkle on your food.
All right, now here's where it gets really personal. This simple chemical isn't just for making things taste good. It's absolutely 100% critical for you to survive.
Right now, as you're listening to this, the average adult has about 250 grams of salt in their body. But what does that actually look like?
Well, it's about a full cup's worth. Picture this. Line up 3 or 4 of those regular salt shakers from a diner. That's how much salt is running through your system right now, just keeping you alive.
And here's the real kicker. Your body is always losing salt when you do things like sweat. But unlike a lot of other things, your body can't make its own salt. Nope, the only way to get it back is to eat it.
Seriously, without salt, your body's most basic systems would just shut down. The sodium part? It's like a tiny delivery truck carrying nutrients and oxygen into your cells. It's the spark for every single nerve impulse that lets you think and move, and it controls every muscle movement, including the beating of your heart. And the chloride, it's kind of the unsung hero, essential for everything from digesting your food to breathing.
And speaking of taste, let's bust a myth you probably learned back in science class. You've probably seen that famous tongue map, right? The one with different zones for sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. So, what do you think? True or false? Is there a specific salt section on your tongue?
Yeah, that's a total myth. Scientists actually don't support that idea anymore. Turns out, you can taste salt, and all the other flavors for that matter, across your entire tongue.
Okay, so we know it's essential for life and it makes our food delicious. But trust me, its resume is much, much longer than that. Salt's job extends way beyond the kitchen.
Get ready for this number. Over 14,000 known uses. That is staggering. And we're not just talking about preserving food or melting ice on the roads. Salt is a fundamental ingredient for making plastic, soap, glass, even paper. This industrial power is exactly why controlling the salt trade was the key to building ancient empires. It was the engine of their entire economies.
So, when you put it all together, the takeaway is pretty clear. From ancient civilizations who treated it like gold, to its role in every single cell of your body, to its thousands of modern uses, salt is, without a doubt, one of the most important minerals on our planet. And that just leaves us with one final thought. The next time you pick up that salt shaker, remember, you're holding a piece of history, chemistry, and biology all rolled into one. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple things in our lives are hiding a whole world of complexity just waiting to be explained?